you dashed it open, then stayed in complete sight of it, and rotated away from it and wasn't looking at it. And stick plates. Grab the hostage and just hold him. Ethan, thanks for calling in. Why though? You're a real person and you can speak. Why do you talk with numbers? Why don't you just hang? Why couldn't you just be chill? Yeah, no, but get it out, man. You can do one more. Go for it.
He's
I'm
playing
gonna
on
have
computer.
some faith. But then you should sub. I feel like, I scratch your back, you scratch mine. I'm putting up.
Man, these guys got a mic, a webcam, the gaming chair, the headphones, a channel. Look at that. He got tipped $10 right now. Look, he said hi. He's a little bit gay right there. I said he looked at gay when he was doing it.
Daddy, see you in 10 minutes. 600 seconds. Bye, Daddy, love you. Thank you for... How are you guys gonna wallbang then if all of 6 reinforced? Why are you guys preventing my... Matt, why are you opening this...